Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So for today's video, you know I don't like wasting a lot of time on my videos, so I came across this palette eyeshadow on Amazon. I want to say Instagram, oh my gosh, on Amazon. So I decided to give it a shot and see how pigmented they are. Actually, if you're just starting makeup, starting to gather your makeup kits, this will be very affordable and very effective for you. And the reason why I said that is because there are 7 palettes in a package. 7 palettes in a package, and inside the 7 palettes you have 4 eyeshadow in each palette. It comes in its packaging, and the package can also be used as a storage. How amazing is that, right? On my eyes right now, I use this eyeshadow, the 4th one, because they number them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I use the 4th one. I picked the 4th palette to create this look that you all are looking at right now. So the eyeshadow on my eyes, I use a primer. So I don't know, maybe that's the reason why it's so pigmented, but I'm going to swatch some of it for you and see without primer how effective it is. I think it's pronounced Maange according to the pronunciation or the spelling, let me put it like that. And we have 7 in it, and I just love the fact that it's rose gold, silver and gold. Those are my kind of thing, you know, they all blink. But when you open it individually, they seal them individually, and you open it, inside of it you see 4 eyeshadow in each palette. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch for you without primer, because the one I have on my eyes, of course I use primer, and I love how the pigment turned out. For real, I love it. And please don't forget, Arewa, which is my brand of lashes, is on sale right now, as in is already available for purchase. So don't forget to visit my website demidazzling.com to grab your own before it is too late. Okay, thank you all for those that have purchased in the past. If you're one of my people that have been watching me on this video and you've supported me by buying my lashes, I appreciate you. God bless you. And if you're still thinking about it, please don't wait. Time wait for nobody. Okay, just go ahead to demidazzling.com and grab your own lashes. More product will be coming by the grace of God soon. So let's jump right into this video and do the swatches without wasting much of your time. We have 4 eyeshadow in this palette. They have individual names, and this is how all the palettes look like, as in they all have names and 4 in each. So I'm going to go ahead and start to swatch. Like I said, this is number 1. Before I round up this video, I would like to give a tip of an advice that came with the instruction on this eyeshadow. Okay, it says on it that it is more, if you want to get a maximum payoff, okay, it is more advisable for you to use a brush for the eyeshadow that has powdery texture, but for the ones that have foiled texture, it is more advisable for you to use your fingertips. Okay, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Please like, comment, share, and let me know what you think about this video as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.